2002 Ford Taurus. We're going to go ahead and try to replace these license plate lights up here. See, look at how nice and dull those are. We're going to replace them with LEDs. Now, I have not done this before, so going off the experience with installing this backup camera that's connected to my dash cam, I believe it's done a similar way. So all you should need for this are your 2 hands and a can of patience. So I'm going to go ahead and start here. Move that to the side. My trunk pop no longer works. So those are going to be located right up here. As you can see, if I'm not mistaken, it's just pull this out, pull that out, pull this down, and we should be able to gain access to the bulbs. So you can see it's a little mangled. I should probably go ahead and get a new set of these. Put it down where I'll remember. As you can see, they're still not all the way in from last time, so but this is something I haven't done before, so. And I need 2 hands for this. Okay, got it. Put those 2 where you're not going to lose it. Oh my god, it looks like for once it will just be that simple. I mean, all I should have to do is give this a 1/4 turn, and it should just wiggle on out, theoretically. Oh my god. So usually you look up YouTube videos and stuff, or I would have to because my intuition isn't as good, but it's actually as simple as that. So when replacing the lights in my car, I have come across 2 separate types of LEDs. Go ahead and pull these up here. As you could tell, I thought it would be a 50-50 split. It's not even close. These here are predominantly the ones for interior lighting, like dome lights, map lights, for glove box, and the license plate lights. It's going to be ones that look like these. So I'll go ahead and show you the difference between the LED bulb and the gross ones that are in there in just a second. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these, even though I won't be replacing it. Oh, it's a lot easier than I thought too. Oh wow. See all that blackness there? That's just disgusting. You know what won't do that? LEDs. This is the replacement. It looks a lot different, but trust me, this part here will just slide right into that base, just like that one came out, if not more easily. Oh wow, that's probably going to have to replace that at some point. See all the brown around there? But I'm not doing that today. Just like that. Just get a feel for the hole there. Oh, there we go. See? You can see the bulb going into there. Now it's just a matter of which way do I turn it. There we go. Give it a 1/4 turn. It should be good. Let's go ahead. As you can see, there is that bulb. There is the beautiful new one. Let's see how beautiful it is. Wow. Much brighter. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that with the other side now. Yeah, where are you? 1/4 turn that way. Wiggle. There we are. Yeah, that one too. That's not good. And those are all the interior lights that have been replaced. So then I go over to the bag. A little difficult to do one-handed, but give me 1 second. There it is. Quarter turn. Backup camera back up in there. Pull that back over. Just slide on in. Just like butter. Okay, apparently I'm gonna get a hammer and just lightly tap them in. Okay, so apparently when they look like that, it's just time to get new ones. So for right now, I'm not going to replace those. It's still on there pretty nicely. It's formed well. So I'm gonna go ahead, close the trunk, make sure that wire stays in there. Then let's go ahead. That is beautiful. That's it though. That's all you have to do.